Jyothi Construction. 2 sites 30 by 50 RCC slab concrete pouring work process. This both sites comes with gold plan 1,699 rupees per square feet luxurious duplex house with rental flats. The roof slab electrical conduit work process is the methodical set of tasks undertaken to install electrical conduits on a roof slab. This process includes planning the conduit layout, drilling holes in the roof slab, securing conduit supports, installing conduit pipes and fittings, bending conduits when necessary, connecting to electrical devices, and conducting testing to ensure proper functionality. It aims to establish a reliable and compliant electrical infrastructure while considering structural integrity, safety, and adherence to local building codes. The concrete work process for a roof slab with M25 grade 1:1:2 mix ratio, using 20 mm coarse aggregate generally follows a set of standard procedures. M25 grade concrete indicates the mix proportion of concrete ingredients: 1 part cement, 1 part fine aggregate, sand, and 2 parts coarse aggregate, with a specified compressive strength of 25 megapascals m. The primary purpose of using a vibrator is to eliminate trapped air bubbles, improve the density of the concrete, and ensure that the mixture fully fills the formwork. This process, known as vibration or concrete consolidation, enhances the strength and durability of the finished concrete structure. There are different types of vibrators used in concrete construction, and their selection depends on the specific application and requirements.